Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 8th question in exercise 6.3. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at EF. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So let's first draw a diagram. In this case, the diagram is not given to us. So let's first construct it ourselves. So I'm drawing a parallelogram ABCD, A, B, C, and D. What was given to us is AD is extended to produce E. So E is a point extended here. So let me draw it somewhere here. And then it BF intersects CD or BE intersects CD at EF. So BE intersects CD at EF. So this is what we have to draw. Now let's see what is given to us. Given is ABCD is a parallelogram. So you can use this particular property, whatever is there going to be for parallelogram in this case. Then E is an extension of AD, BF intersects C. So in terms of mathematical data, you don't need to write anything out there because everything else is placed in the figure. Now, what is it that you're asked to prove? So in order to prove is going to be triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So this CFB triangle, we have to prove that it is going to be equivalent or similar to triangle ABE, the bigger one. I'm just marking it for our reference. So let's start writing the proof. So in order to write it, first know about these two triangles, then we can list it out as a similarity criterion. So in property of parallelogram, angle A is equal to angle C. So we will list it out as opposite angles of parallelogram. So that is going to be there for us for future reference. Then what do we know? AD is going to be parallel to BC because again, opposite sides of parallelogram. I'm going to use all these properties of parallelogram. So it is opposite sides of parallelogram. Now, because AD is parallel to BC, we also know that AE is going to be parallel to BC because AE is just an extension of your AD. So AE is also parallel to BC. And I can look at BE as going to be a traverse. So that I'm not writing here. So because of this, what do we know? We know that angle AEB is equal to angle FBC. What are the angles that I'm talking about? Angle AEB is equal to FBC. Why? It is interior alternate angles. Okay, I've just marked it in the short form, interior alternate angles. Now that we have listed all that is required for us, let's take the two triangles. So in triangle ABE and the triangle CFB, what do we know? Angle A is equal to angle C. If it can give you a number, you can use it. Okay, so I'm using that reference number from 1 here. Next, angle AEB is actually equal to angle FBC, the second angle which we have generated. So I'm putting this as from 2 as my justification. There are two angles that are equal. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB using AA's similarity. So in order to arrive at these two angles only, we did the calculation before. Now that we have done, we can write it nicely inside the proof for the triangle. So that's done, so hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.